Hello first grade. In math class, we have been learning about picture graphs and bar graphs. And today, we are going to learn one last kind of graph. Let's go to page 434. The new kind of graph that we are going to talk about, it is called tally charts, which in other words means counting. Take a look at this chart over here. In this chart, we have information. What kind of information can you inside this chart? It counts how many boys and girls are in a class. What we need to do is that we need to count each stick over here to know how many boys and girls are there in a class. One trick that I'm going to show you is that every time that you see this, it means 5. So every time you see this, you don't need to be counting each stick because we know that it means 5 automatically. Let's take a look at the first one, boys. We have the sign over here, so we know it's 5. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. There are 9 boys, and we are going to write it over here. So write the number 9. The next one, girls. We know that this means 5 plus 1, 6. And we are going to write it in this side over here. Now, let's answer some questions. We are going to use our tally chart to answer them. Number 1. How many girls are there in the class? Let's take a look. There are 6 girls, so we are going to write it over here. Number 2. How many boys are there in the class? We counted them and we know that there are 9. How many children are in all in the class? So now it's not asking only for boys or only for girls. It is asking how many in all. What do we need to do? We are going to add boys plus girls. In other words, 9 plus 6, which is 15. Are there more boys or girls in the class? The chart tells there are more boys. Now, let's make a tally chart. We need to fill in the information over here. Let's take a look at the picture. We need to find out the boats with sail and the boats without sails. This is a boat with a sail. And this is a boat without a sail. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 boats with sails, so we are going to draw the sticks over here. I finished making my sticks and I wrote the total over here. Let's count how many boats without sails are there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 boats without sail. Look how I wrote my number 5. Remember, every time I put a stick across the others means 5.